Hello guys, we will do another simplification problem. First 1 by 6 into 6 is equal to 1. 6 divided by 1. If we divided 6 with 1 is equal to 6. But it is totally wrong because we didn't follow the PEMDAS rule or order of operations or BODMAS rule. According to the BODMAS rule or PEMDAS rule, you have to do first multiplication or division. Here is another rule. What will be comes first? You have to do first this operation. If division comes first, then division will be done first, and if multiplication comes first, multiplication will be executed first. So here division comes first and multiplication in second. So 6 divided by 1 by 6 is equal to 36 into 6. So 36 into 6 is equal to 216. It is the answer.